Hey guys, it's Caroline. Looky. No nails, crafting. I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. Now, I know I showed a couple of my necklaces last video, but I made another one. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Is this? No, that's not the one I made recently. Is this the one I made recently? I think that's the one I made recently. I've been trying to use those freshwater pearls and the shell, I forgot what you call them, those chips, the amethyst chips and whatnot. And I'm making a lot of these for our upcoming craft fair that's in December 14th. So for all those people that need to do their last minute shopping, as well as I could, whatever, I could make in that time frame. But I'm really loving these. And they're so easy to make. This one I used just those amethyst chip shells or whatever, not shells, amethyst chips that you find in Michael's by the bead section, and I used and incorporated some more of my freshwater pearls as well as some spacer beads. And I am using, because they finally came in from Wish, the magnetic clasp for people that can't always, but I'll also have the other kind of clasp, but so it's easier. So I made about 3 of these. I'm going to make a couple more today. I opened up, these are still fresh. I bought these last year, and I know they're vacuum packed, but fresh in the sense, no, you should not eat this. Fresh in the sense that they are still, they don't smell at all. There's no smell. And I opened one up, and look at this cute, and it's so beautiful, this pearl. So I'm going to be having those all ready for customers if they want them, as well as all my pearl handmade jewelry. But I also wanted to show you guys what I got today at Michael's. First, I love this. This was in the 60% off. Okay, it comes just like this. It's supposed to be a gift, a gift bag or a gift basket. And it's called a gift basket paneer. And what it comes with, and this came in it, what's attached. It has the plastic, the twine, and the gift tag. So you can just put whatever handmade gift you have that you're gifting to someone inside the basket with all the additional accessories that you need to make it pretty. And it's really cute, and it was originally $18 and I got it for $8, so that I love. And they can reuse the basket for whatever, for putting their fruit in or just for storage. Okay, I also picked up, these were 50% off, plus I had a coupon, no, 40% off. So you get 3 of these. These are jewelry display, because I'll be just primarily showcasing necklaces at the fair. So I have 6 of them, so I can put 2 necklaces on each. Maybe I can put an additional one of different lengths for that. And I also, you know what, I'm just going to turn this over. So you could still go there today. The sale runs through today, but then after today they don't have it. 50% off one of your items, and then 20% off sale and non-sale. So I got these. I found these freshwater pearl strands. I love these. I just love how they're so different and unique. And then I got these. So I'm going to make a necklace with these 2 strands, or a couple necklaces. And these spacers, Marianne had introduced these to me. And these are really pretty. She uses them in her memory bracelets. And these. I'm going to use these for spacers as well. So I got those and this. So I'll be doing some crafting while my soup, I made homemade butternut squash soup. So I'll show you guys that in just a minute. All right, let me put this away. This is what I got from Amazon. Now, this is actually a bargain. You can get, I think it's 110 of these bags for $8.99. And they came like in a day. I ordered these yesterday and they came today. So I figured they're going to go with my whole theme. I got these boxes. So I will be preparing the necklaces in these boxes. And I will be displaying them with these necklace displays with the self-adhesive bags, and then putting them inside one of the boxes and then in the bag. So all my pearl, so the pearl girl will be going like that, and I'll put like a Christmas sticker on there so it looks nice. And that's it. So now I will show you guys my soup that I'm working on. Okay, so I've been working on homemade butternut squash soup most of the morning. I probably should blend it more, but I actually don't have one of those handhold blender. Oh no, this bothers me when everything gets on the side. So I just used your regular potato smasher, and then maybe I'll run it through the regular blender. But this recipe is so good. I got it from my colleague, also a friend at work, and it's the same recipe they use for Panera bread. And you just put shallots, butter, pumpkin puree, 1 butternut squash. You core it, you take the seeds out, you roast it, you cut it, you cube it, you saute it. Butter, shallots, and heavy cream, brown sugar, and I think that's all I put in there. Oh, and chicken broth. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely to die for. So I have that, and I cheated. I have a frozen pumpkin pie, but I smushed it in my baking dish. So this is what I'm doing today, as well as the other stuff. So to wrap it up, I wanted to also show you, I got these as well. These were only $2 each, and you can use them for displays. Like you can write something with your chalk pen, you know, so that's also for that purpose. And I believe that's it. Okay, so I'm going to work on another necklace and show you guys, and maybe 2 or 3, and I'll show you the final product. Okay, here is how it turned out. I used one of my display boards, my dog's in the background again, to show you guys how it would look. So basically same theme. I did the whole 2 strands with the freshwater pearls and some spacer beads. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then the little tassel on the bottom. And that's it. So this is what I did today. And I'm hoping everyone has a wonderful and glorious Saturday. Take care, guys. Bye.